can do with your child at home. It's a creative work that you can do together. I mean, you have a little bit work to do, but then the child should do the rest alone. What you need to prepare is you need for this activity different kind of colored paper, different colors, and white paper. Then you need to cut out different kind of forms. You can cut these forms from different kind of colors. I start normally with a circle, and for the younger children I use normally the yellow color, and the older they get you can change the colors more. This is for example a circle. You cut out a circle, it doesn't matter how big it is. And where do you paste it? You can paste it anywhere on your paper, here, 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 in the middle. It doesn't matter. This is like another one. And this is like another one. And your child can put the paper the way he or she wants. Like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. What you do is that you give this to the child and tell her or him that she or he needs to use this form to paint a picture. But please don't tell the child what kind of picture he or she should paint or draw. This is the reason that they have to do it themselves, because they need to think, they need to look around and see where they can see these forms. If we tell them this is like a sun, then they cannot think and look more what kind of other circle forms they can see around them. This exercise is important for them to realize the forms around them in their environment, wherever they go, if they are at home, if they say, oh, I cannot think of anything, then you can say, okay, close your eyes, think a little bit when we are out, when we are here and there. You can say some examples. What do you see in this form? And you can use this in your picture. As I said, it doesn't matter where this form is, how big it is, you can put it anywhere on the paper. I start with circle, then with square, and after a square I do the rectangle, and then I do the triangle, and then the oval. So, as I said, circle, square, rectangle, triangle, and oval, because it gets a little bit harder every time. And with the square is the same. You can put it anywhere you want on your paper. You can, this is a little bit more complicated when I turn it around. This is now with the rectangle. The child can move the paper like this, whatever he or she wants. And then you have the triangle. With the triangle is also the same. You can choose also other colors. in the beginning, try to use sharper colors that make the child more interested. And this is the oval. It's again the same. When you want to get a little bit harder, when you want to have it a little bit harder, when you go one step further, harder is not maybe the correct word, but one step further is that you mix the forms together, you combine them on the paper. Like here, for example, I have the circle and oval together, but it could also be like this, or this, or this. And here I have the square and triangle together. As I said, it's important that you don't say to the child what it can be. They should think themselves and decide what they see, what they can make from this form. And at the end you will have really nice pictures coming out. The children have a very good fantasy. They see more than we think sometimes, and you will have fabulous results. It's very interesting to look. What is also good in this exercise is for the children to be patient and to think a little bit. This exercise, this work you can do with this activity, you can do with children in different ages, from, let's say, from 3 till 12. The results that you get, the pictures that you get at the end are different. The older they get, they can see more forms, more complicated stuff. It's simpler when they are younger. It can also be different, but the most important thing is that the child has fun when he or she does this, that the children are having a good time with this. They look at it most of the time as a free working time, like free time, having fun and painting and drawing something. Yeah, I hope you enjoy it and you can have a good time with this exercise and activity. I will be happy if you tell me how it was, how it worked. Stay in touch, take care, stay healthy, bye bye.